Raising motions. A motion is a device to bring a limited and contested issue before a court for decision. In order for the court to rule on an issue in the case, a third party must raise a motion asking for the order. Motions are split into 9 types. 1. To dismiss. A motion to dismiss asks the court to decide that a claim cannot be solved by the law. If granted, the claim would be dismissed without any necessary evidence from the opposition. In some cases, generally criminal cases, a motion to dismiss can be used to sever charges. 2. For summary judgment. A motion for summary judgment asks the court to decide that the available evidence, even if given by the opposition, is in favor of the moving party. This motion is normally raised when there isn't enough time to cover more evidence. The motion can only be granted if there is no dispute between the evidence and the moving party is entitled to the evidence. 3. In limine. A motion in limine asks the court to decide whether or not specific evidence would be presented to the jury at trial. This motion would be raised if there is information that would be prejudicial rather than relevant for the jury to hear. A violation of a motion in limine can lead to a mistrial. 4. For a directed verdict. A motion for a directed verdict asks the court to rule that the party that initiated the lawsuit, or the plaintiff, has not proven the case. Therefore, the defense does not need to present any evidence. If the motion is granted, the case would be dismissed. This motion is raised after the plaintiff has rested its case and before the defense presents any evidence. 5. For judgment. A motion for judgment asks the court to reverse the jury's verdict on the grounds that the jury could not reasonably have reached such a verdict. This motion is made after the jury's verdict, and if granted, the court enters a new verdict. This motion can be used in a criminal case only to reverse a guilty verdict. Not guilty verdicts are immune to reversal by the court. 6. For a new trial. A motion for new trial asks to set aside a court's decision. A motion for new trial is proposed by the party which is not happy with the case's end result. This motion can only be raised if there was a key error made in the court's handling of the trial. For instance, when the court excludes key evidence. 7. To set aside judgment. A motion to set aside judgment is to nullify a judgment. The grounds for the motion need to be ones that were not considered in the trial before. 8. For Nolle Prosqeui. A motion for Nolle Prosqeui is a request from the plaintiff to drop legal charges. This motion only applies to criminal cases, and it leads the case against the opposition to be dropped. This motion is raised when charges cannot be proven or the accused is innocent. 9. To compel. A motion to compel requires the third party or opposing party to take action. This is commonly caused due to conflicts with discovery. A motion to compel is caused due to insufficient discovery responses. This motion asks the court to order the opposing party to produce any documentation or information required, or to penalize the opposing party for not complying with discovery requests.